Welcome. Today we have a problem at hand that involves optimizing the performance speed of a given function. The function in question involves a loop that iterates 100 times and performs various calculations on a matrix X to update a matrix R. The initial attempt to optimize the function using Numpy did not yield the expected speedup, which led us to explore other avenues for improvement. In the solution provided, a new function named func2 was introduced. This function incorporates several optimizations to enhance performance. By removing the computation of the unused delta, pulling the transposition of x out of the loop, and factorizing out the multiplication with y for the calculation of transformed, the function aims to reduce unnecessary calculations and improve efficiency. Continuing with the optimized function func2, we see a notable improvement in performance compared to the original function. Through these strategic optimizations, the function can process the matrix X more efficiently, resulting in a faster execution time. This enhancement showcases the impact of thoughtful restructuring and simplification in improving the performance of a function. The updated function func2 demonstrates a significant speedup, with a runtime that is more than 1.5 times faster than the original function. By streamlining the calculations and minimizing unnecessary operations, the optimized function can efficiently process the input matrix X and generate the desired output. This improvement underscores the importance of refining code implementation to enhance performance. In conclusion, by implementing targeted optimizations and streamlining the calculation process, the performance of the function has been significantly improved. Through careful analysis and strategic adjustments, the function now operates more efficiently, delivering results in a timelier manner. Remember to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below to let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time.